Leaving the airport. Lots of cool stuff coming out of this airport. Taking the escalator down, and it's so neat. There's the canal right there. It's almost surreal. See, the canal is right at the airport.
Space Center?
It's freezing here. It's in the 30s. It is so cold for this Florida girl. Okay. Brayden's loving it. Well, we're not in the city proper.
I'm saying this right now. I might not like boats, and I might love London, but Venice is better than London. I'm saying it right now. I'm saying it right now.
You haven't even gotten to the city. It's the airport.
I know. That's what's so crazy. I'm already saying it.
Alright.
Watch me second guess myself, but still.
Yeah.
Jennifer, we just got off the plane at the Venice Airport. Took the walkway down to the pier. We came in early, so our boat doesn't leave for another over an hour. So we found a little cafe for our first meal in Venice. Had some cappuccinos, some fresh squeezed orange juice, like I literally just watched them squeeze those oranges. Fresh baked croissants, and hot chocolate that he literally just made. So we're really excited. First meal in Venice.
I just want to say how this is. Wait, can you give this person?
You want to drink it? It's done.
Sure. So look at this. When I blow on it, it goes like. Oh, it's better. But it like goes down. It's really cool.
Yeah. I know. That's
Gravity. Sir Isaac Newton. It's like really, really strong.
Don't you boys take the chocolate?
You guys want the chocolate ones, right? We didn't get croissants growing up. We had crescent rolls once in a while.
Oh, what if we went like this and dip it?
I maybe do this. Try it.
Good.
So we're looking for our pier. I think we're going to pier number 1. The hotel has its own shuttle bus, or shuttle boat. So we're going to go directly to the hotel.
From Venice Marco Polo Airport, we took a water taxi straight to Murano. It's a short ride, around 20 minutes, and a really nice way to arrive.
It's now going?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going. 20 minutes.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I would say that while just walking on that wooden dock, I was thinking how sketchy that was.
It's been the least sketchiest dock you're going to see for the next 4 days.
It's beautiful. Yeah.
Next 4 days, you're going to see some sketchy docks.
What?
Airport's right there. Come on now.
Just say we're inside Murano now.
Okay.
It's very calm in here now.
Yeah.
It's just a canal.
Yeah. See, we're calm now, right? Yeah. Over there. Hi. Ooh. Shops. Maybe Six Tables needs a new chandelier. One of these shops.
Ist die Verschiebung oder ist die Zeitverschiebung jetzt schon wieder
We're actually leaving.
Why wouldn't we be leaving?
Because I thought it before, and then it was on the side of the ocean.
Well, it's water, honey. It's gonna be shaky. There.
Okay, give me the GoPro, madam.
GoPro. I got it.
Thank you.
Good job. GoPro.
Slippery there. Thank you. walking on the slip. There you go. Are you ready?
Just wait 20 meters.
Follow Daddy.
Why is there a ladder to go down?
In case the water goes down.
We're staying at the Hyatt Centric Murano Venice, which is built inside a former glass factory. The space still reflects the industrial past.
This is so pretty. I'm so excited. Nice chandelier. Maybe that'll be for the new 6 tables.
You'll see glass details throughout, paired with an aquatic design that feels calm and connected to the lagoon.
Is the couch comfy? Are you tired? Yeah. You didn't sleep on the plane, huh?
Nope. No intention of sleeping on the plane.
There's a bar and coffee shop on site called Rivalonga Cafe, with a canal side setting that feels like it's made for a slow afternoon, especially in the warmer months. There's also a fine dining restaurant, Osteria, which we'll showcase in our Murano video.
So we're walking into our hotel room. We're staying at the Hyatt Centric in Murano. It used to be an old glass factory, and this place is cool.
We booked a duplex suite with a convertible sofa downstairs and a loft upstairs with a queen bed. The layout gave us enough space to relax, and the welcome champagne was a thoughtful touch after a long day.
Hey look, there's 2 beds. You boys don't have to share. What's neat about it is they built it into the factory so the windows don't necessarily match the arches.
We booked this through the Hyatt portal using 21,000 Hyatt points per night for this stay. Rates can vary depending on the time of year. We stayed during the slow season.
Now we're gonna relax for a little bit and then go exploring. So we just finished our nap. Now we're gonna walk around and explore Murano just a little bit and get something to eat. Looks really cool. Oh, look at the glass. That's beautiful. I can't wait to look at glass in earnest. One of the issues we're running into is that some restaurants pack up early. A lot of them open up late. Since we just got here today, we don't have it in us to stay up real late. So we're trying to find something that closes by 6. Maybe a little pizza. Grocery store. Could you imagine just living here all the time? You have no cars, you just take boats everywhere? Pretty cool.
Across the island there.
Isn't that cool? That's how you get across the island. I do like it. Hey, did you see this? Did you see Vito?
Yeah.
It's from The Godfather. That's awesome.
$1,000.
Oh my god. A lot of the lunch places are closing up. Is this okay, let's go in here. No, I didn't. Do you have pizza? No? Just what we see there. Okay. So it's just what we see there. So we order here and then go sit down. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So you order there and then you go get a seat.
If you want a couple pieces like this, you can. There's some salami ones. You don't want the fish one, but this looks like cheese.
Right.
We'll get a couple of those.
I'll take that.
Do you want beer or wine? Beer or water?
I'm fine with beer.
Beer?
Yeah. Okay. One of these and the 2 beers.
I'll have a lager. Do you want I'm gonna have the number 4 lager.
I don't know.
You want the number 6?
Sure.
Show the 6, the dark. Yes.
Easy.
If you don't like it, I'll drink it.
Yeah. Let's switch it up.
Where should I put my book?
In your pocket. And then zip your pocket.
Is this fizzy water?
My battery's almost toast because I switched out to the other battery and I didn't get it charged enough.
Our camera battery didn't make it through dinner, but we kept things simple with sandwiches, snacks, and an early night. We wanted to be up and out early to start exploring Venice the next day. There's a lot more from this trip coming, so if you want to see what else we do and explore in Venice and Murano, give us a like, subscribe, and drop us a comment.
Ciao for now.